Annyeonghaseyo. Okay, this is Chef David. Welcome. Okay, today we are going to do Jjamppong. Okay, it's basically a spicy stew. It's seafood Jjampong. Alright, so we'll go straight into cooking the Jjampong now. This is your soup pot which we're going to heat up. We're going to add a little bit of oil first. Okay, we're going to throw in the onions, fry it a little. Throw in the scallions or green onion or spring onion, followed by the mushroom. Now we're going to throw in the chicken stock. Okay, mix it well. Okay, once you see that it's bubbling, you can add in your chili flakes. Oyster sauce, gochugaru. Wow, it's really intense flavor, spice. We start with the mussels. Squid. Prawn. It's all coming together. Sesame oil. We're gonna add in the bok choy. We're gonna cover it and let it cook for 1 or 2 minutes. So it's like 2 minutes already. You can take a look. Wow. So now I'm going to add the final ingredient, which is the sesame seed. I'm going to turn off the fire. Okay, so we are done. This is the seafood jjampong. Try it at home. If you like it, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and then I'll see you soon.